I have this wood circle. It can be any size of your choice, and I'm going to take it and gel stain it with my antique walnut gel stain. Once you apply the gel stain, I like to take a napkin or a paper towel and just rub in that extra gel stain. This helps the wood grain to pop through. I'm then going to split my circle in half. So this is a 14-inch round. And I'm going to take my painter's tape. I'm going to do a quick coat of some white to brighten this back up. I painted it white just to make the red a little more bright, rather than if I did red on the stain, it would be probably too dark. And you want to make sure that your white is dry before you do this. Okay, and then you can remove your painter's tape. I have this galvanized ladybug that I'm going to actually cut in half. You want to be careful because this is probably sharp if you really wanted to cut yourself with it. And then I'm going to dab over this. Now, if you want this to cover really well, you're going to want to prime it. It is metal. I'm just going to lightly dab, and I'm not going to completely worry about full coverage. I'm then going to take a little bit of the black and fill in these circles. We'll even do the top here. I'm then going to take some of this decor wax and I'm just going to lightly go over the raised metal. And now that I cut it in half, I almost feel like it looks like the ladybug is crawling, walking, rather than open like this, flying. I feel like it looks like it's walking, and you can only see the side profile. I'm going to dip my foam dabber in the paint, offload it, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add dots. I then wanted mine to say Ladybug Crossing. You could just use regular wood letters. It does not have to be a cursive writing like this. And also, you can have it say whatever you want, whether it be welcome, hello, anything. And I'm going to take my foam dabber and paint my words. You could use stickers, you could use vinyl. So many options of how you can make your wording. Okay, so now I'm going to glue this down. I am going to need a couple clamps. My E6000 is a more of an industrial strength glue, so yes, this is probably going to hold better than my hot glue. So I like to put it throughout. Then I'm going to place it down so that the hot glue can adhere. And then the E6000 will also dry. And this is what we have so far. I'm then going to take my word, Ladybug crossing. Have this burlap trim. It came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue that right across here. I am going to use my hot glue. And then I'm going to hold this down with some hot glue. This is a very thin circle. This will hold just fine. And as you could see, I'm not just putting a dab of hot glue. You want to put a good amount of hot glue and just let it sit here until it fully dries. Then I'm just going to make a simple bow with a wire ribbon. I'm going to cut the tails with my pinking shears. And I'm going to glue the bow right here. Nice and simple. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.